Get tatted up.
Follow me on Instagram at OG Poppy.
OG Poppy.
Yeah. That ink slinging cowboy.
That ink slinging cowboy. Yeah. Get tatted up.
Hey. Hey.
OG Poppy.
Hey. 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 Hey.
That ink slinging cowboy.
Hey.
Ink slanging.
Yeah.
Ink slanging.
Yeah.
Ink slanging. Ink slanging cowboy. Ink slanging. Ink slanging. Ink slanging. Ink slanging cowboy. Ink slanging. Ink slanging. Ink slanging. Slanging cowboy. Ink slanging.
Ink slanging.
Ink slanging.
Ink slanging.
Yeah. Ink slanging cowboy. Get tatted up.
Tat it up.
Get tatted up.
Tat it up.
Yeah. Tatted up.
Tat it up.
Get tatted up.
Tat it.
Feels good. Feels good in my hand already. And this is a magnet, but it has to clip on. So this is the magnet. It's held by a magnet that clips on, kind of settles in. Pretty good. Feels good in my hand already. Comes with 2 batteries. CNC. See what you got, baby. Unboxing the CNC. This is the new pen with the 2 batteries. Yeah. That's what you get in the box. Looks good. So it comes with 2 batteries, a pamphlet, and phone, accessory package, or your charge cord, your washers. It's your ink slinging cowboy unboxing the CNC, the new pen. Man, this thing feels really good in my hand. So I'm going to charge these, and I'm going to do a tattoo, and I'll let you know, and I'll show some video of that going on in just a second. Peace out.
You might catch a glimpse. More slinging cowboy. And now more slinging. More slinging.
These are my old buddies, my old CNCs. I've been using these for a while. They're pretty good. Change these out.
Lower swinging. You might catch a glimpse.
Yeah. Yeah. That's my workout. Oh, ah. Yeah. Set that up.
Get tatted up.
Follow me on Instagram at OG Poppy.
OG Poppy.
Yeah. That ink slinging cowboy.